exploring the Ionic framework ecosystem, where we had started by introduction to building e-commerce application using Ionic framework, Composer, Vue.js, Angular, and Node.js backend. By the way, the Vue.js, Angular, all of them, they are just front-end frameworks. So we're gonna be exploring them in parallel on how each one fits in your toolbox and which one you can utilize to build your application. So today we're gonna be looking on sometimes you might wanna build the application on Windows, but still you want to experience the command line that the Linux system offers. So today I will be discussing on installing the Linux subsystem on Windows without using Hyper-V, or we have had some issues whereby you want to install Linux subsystem on Windows, but it tells you you need to have Microsoft Store, which sometimes you may have it locked up or blocked, or you don't have it. So in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to install the Linux subsystems on Windows without using Microsoft Store or Hyper-V. So let's create here a file. We can start exploring our new. So installing Linux subsystem subsystem on Windows. Text kind of go through the steps we need. So steps to install Linux subsystem on Windows out Hyper-V. Microsoft number one. Open up PowerShell. Yes, and admin. I'll go ahead and open up PowerShell. Type here PowerShell. Should come up PowerShell. This one here. And then I'm gonna run as an admin. It might request you for a username or whatever. For me, I'm already the admin, so it just pop up that window, and then I click on. I want to open it up. So here we have the PowerShell environment. The next thing we need to do, I'm gonna go to run the following command. So run the following command at PowerShell. 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 So the command is the command is WSN dash list dash online. So you run this command at PowerShell. So I'm gonna just copy it and paste it here. Boom. You see now, this one. So you run this one, the PowerShell command. This one you see now. Now you can see we have different Linux distribution to install, and here you can it is telling you to install using the WSL-online -D. So here you can see we have the Ubuntu Debian Kernel Linux, Ubuntu 18, Ubuntu 20, 9, Ubuntu 20.04, Oracle Linux, Oracle blah blah, all those you have. So the first thing, before I usually run this command at the PowerShell. So I will go to my note here and see, and the following at in PowerShell, whatever you wanna call it, at or in PowerShell. Let's use PowerShell. Let's try to complete. Okay. Now this command run enable begin optional feature space dash online space FeatureName. I don't know exactly what this one is. Sometimes maybe to kind of offer you an option to connect to investigating the terminal is not recognized. This is a function that can't remember. Maybe this one was on the machine I was having an issue, so I will just skip that and let's go to the next one. Okay, so from this list we're gonna choose which which Ubuntu we're gonna install. Mostly I will go with the latest one, this 22 one here. That's LTS. I will go with this one here. So next, run the following in PowerShell. So basically you can see here, told you to run this one to install -D, then you get the distribution you want to put in that angle brackets here. So here I want to put my Ubuntu 20, that's the latest one. I want to use the latest. So I'm gonna copy this guy and run it here. Don't copy. Control C. Control V. Let's see what happens there. Installing virtual machine. So that seems to be okay. yes. Oh, yeah, that's going to be the installation. Let's see what also. In the meantime, while it's still installing, we'll go ahead and install the Vscode extension for to connect to an Linux subsystem. So here, number 5, install the Vscode extension. Connect. Install Vscode and the SI extension. To connect to Windows 7 system. See what's going on here. Still thinking. Okay, again, just the extension. Where's the extension? Linux Subsystem. Remote. So, we try WS in folder. Yeah, this one here. It's called WS. Open and folder in the Windows Subsystem for Linux and take the one with Visual Feature. This guy. So I think I have installed it already, and it's telling me to install it. So I don't need, if you haven't installed it, gonna show you here install. Just click on it and install, and I think that's why. So we did. Ubuntu has been installed. The requested overview successful. Changes will take effect until the system is rebooted. So we are done installing our Windows Linux subsystem. Now you can control all the features of the Linux system you wanna do in your Windows machine. So let's see if we can do a connect to it. Install. Let's install the W. Okay, I showed you how to do it. Now let's see if we can connect to our. Okay, now you can see connect to WSL. If you click on that, so this will need me to add it, or I don't want to do that. I think when I reboot the next time, I will show you if I'm able to connect to my system or not, because if I reboot, then this video will be cut off. So I will continue from where we have stopped here, because it seems my Vscode needs to, or we can do this. Let me try this. I will end the Vscode and restart it and see if it can pick up the new installation we just did, because it should be able to do it. Otherwise I will have to uninstall that application and connect it again. I've never seen that. Let's see, seems to be open. No WSS distribution fund. Yeah, this is what I didn't want to do. No installation. I don't want to install it from Microsoft. What's going on here? So here we need to do some troubleshooting, or else I will have to restart. Yeah, I should then open a look at the left hand corner. So we closed the VS Code, then we opened it. Then this one should give me this icon, which is allow you to open. It should open. It should open the Windows Subsystem without any issue here, but it seems connect to host. This is the one I need. I don't want to go to a host. So return no. So it seems it can't see my Windows subsystem, the one I installed locally. I will have to reboot the whole of my computer and try it, and I will show you in the next video. And thanks guys, that's for all. So in our series of Ionic e-commerce site, we just installed the Linux subsystem for Windows to help us run our application in a Linux-like environment, for those people who like building in Linux instead of using the Windows environment. And next time, after I reboot my computer, I will show you the success I have made, or if there's no success, we might have to do some troubleshooting to get our Linux subsystem connected to our VS Code for success development. In the next series, we're going to be looking on installing NPM, which is a node package manager. And the most important thing we are doing it is because some people might have different versions of application running on different types of node versions, and just having to install the node from its distribution might not be a good idea for some people, because the application might fail if they want to use a different version of Node. So the NVN package helps us to manage different Node.js version. And that's all for today. See you, and please make sure to subscribe and like the video and share the link with your friends, with your family, and everybody who likes software programming. More to come. Thanks.